Giggling Agate join? Is he a troll?
Don't follow me.
Yeah, he's a troll.
He's a troll?
He was telling us yesterday.
He's a
Hey, hi.
troll?
Hey, hi.
Venda?
Hey, hi.
Horse!
Hi. Hey, hi. Follow me.
Wait. Alright, I'm going to build the Haunted Mansion or whatever it is. I don't
Hey,
know.
hi. Right here.
There we go, it's gonna be in the middle
follow
of
me.
nowhere. Dark oak plank. Oh no, Spoingy's left.
Yo, who's trying to fuck me in the booty?
That one guy. Hey, hi. Follow me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Over here.
Hey, is
From
all
my-
these people helping?
Hey!
From
Hey,
me.
can you kick one person
Hey.
from the party? Whatever. Please.
You said it.
Kick someone who doesn't have a mic. I know who to
I
kick.
know. Hey, hi. Tell
You say giggling.
teleport.
If you say that Giggling Agate's a troll, then kick him.
What are y'all gonna be for Halloween?
I don't know. I'm just copying myself.
I
I might
keep
just
your
be
foot up there.
I'm gonna be with Lee.
What's he ass?
What the? Why was
Hey,
Chili?
Kick someone from the
Why
party.
was Chili rhyme kicked or whatever his name was?
The crazy kitten. Kick someone from the party. I did
I'm not the party leader.
Hey, hi.
Yeah, you are. You're the party leader.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Hi.
See, it doesn't give me the option to kick him.
Teleport to me.
Oh, there it is.
Teleport to me.
Hadoy. There we go.
Teleport to me.
Why do you?
No, you kicked him. You didn't kick him. He just left.
He was kicked.
I teleport.
Hey, put the party on invite only, cause everybody gonna keep joining again.
This is what it was. It's a bed.
Bro, that's a big old bit.
No,
I
no,
know,
no.
it's
That's not what I
supposed to be
want
like
to
a
do.
statue.
Is this back up?
Invite only.
That's bad.
Hey, I invited my friend.
Yo, who's a modder in this game?
Me? I work at the gas station, bro. Get ready
Right.
to close, bro. If you're trying to get some gas, you better hurry up.
Oh.
You know what y'all should do? Make y'all a horse. Hey, hold up. With a stat. The belly. Got that gold back though.
Set your pretty as soon as you can in the door. I just wanna chill and listen for a hero.
Did you guys finally figure out how to do the washing and stuff? Looks like it got messed up.
What got messed up? Looks like what got messed up?
Oh, you have to walk foot in order to deactivate it.
No, you just have to go down and take out whatever item you threw. And you can only put in one at a time, or else because the second item won't work as a ticket.
Oh, you get what? Ow.
And took it out.
I don't know how.
Hey, get down here. You wanna learn about redstone or not?
Alright. Happy Halloween. Yo, what's up, guys? Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Hello. Happy Day of the Dead. The Skittles. I don't remember him.
Trying to get with you tonight. I'm with all the shit that you like.
I'll be right next to you.
I'll be right next to you.
No, you're not. You're right next to me. Are you actually playing the game, Melvin?
There we go.
That game's boring.
What game's boring?
World of Tanks.
I
But all this shit. Tell me what you wanna do.
This is pretty
Hi,
much the
you're
only.
Anybody have an Xbox One?
I do.
I don't.
I'm about to get it.
Hey, guess what?
I already have it.
It's just sweet.
Does anybody listen on what?
I do.
Oh no, he left it.
You mean he left? Not left it.
I say left it. I'm weird sometimes. Very weird.
Spain called it beef.
Hey, leave! He made a tree and leave.
What do you listen to? I know you listen to Fetty Wap, but what kind of song?
I listened to Fetty Wap again.
You again?
Did not act.
Who's the host?
DJ joined.
He left.
Everyone join all the hypes party.
Hey, invite me.
Yeah, me too. Hey, dude, who's the host?
Too many people.
Alright.
Yo, hey, y'all wanna join my survival world?
You are not friends with the host. I gotta be friends with the host. That's what, Steve.
I'm playing Call of Duty right now, so.
We. Come on.
Hey,
Why? Hey,
you gotta wanna
Stringy,
come to my world.
can you get this
Yeah.
end portal working? Cause it will. It
But I
does
don't have
not
nobody
work.
to
fuck
run that.
myself. Hunter, I gotta go. There's 2 people in the party.
I'm going to my own party.
Alright. Hunter? Yeah. Oh, never mind. What was this? The horse. What was yours say?
Hello?
What's up?
Crazy Kitten, someone built that big long thing and they griefed.
Speak Spanish or something?
Sí, señorita.
I'm on Confederate.
¿Cómo estás?
No, come on. We just started. No, we're finishing this round.
¿Cómo estás?
I'm not gonna go, okay? Alright. Bye. Yeah.
Like on the skin, on the Cookie Monster skin, I just want to tear his tongue out. I just want to rip it out.
Hello.
Big bell. Oh my God! Someone built a giant
Say it on my channel, bruh. Don't say it.
Someone built a giant Peter. And someone's griefing. Someone is griefing. They took out. Oh no, they didn't. No, they didn't. Oh, no.
Hey. Uh-oh,
Someone's griefing. Kick everybody except me.
kick everyone, yeah.
No, it's someone invisible. Check who's invisible.
I'm just gonna take away everyone's moderator permissions. All the hype. All the hype. You're the only one who I let turn invisible, dude. It's you. No one else could turn invisible because no one else is a moderator. And I need to quickly turn off fire spreads and TNT explodes. So, okay, from now on, nobody's a moderator. No one. Whatsoever.
Who's that Pinor at?
I think it's you because you're the only one who has moderator permissions. And the or someone with an invisibility potion. I think it might be Country Boy, maybe.
Hey, me.
Hey, invite me back.
We
Boy.
I'm going to save. Actually, here, help me look around for troll stuff before we do that. Before I save. Alright. Oh. For a second I thought my mansion was on fire. There. Saved it. Alright. Well, I know who it is now. It's you, Country Boy. Country Boy did it because you're Country Boy, you did it because I see all the hype standing here AFK while a mysterious force is placing T, and it can't be me. And who's the only other person other than me and hype? You.
Dude, you just now placed that TNT.
Bye bye, Country Boy. I have proof against you.
Hey,
Whatever you.
Invite me crazy.
He's a modder. He's just trying to keep people out of the game for no reason.
Country Boy hype.
Wow, y'all built it?
I didn't do nothing. Hype.
I can't kick nobody. Country Boy is actually the leader of the party.
Well, hype. It was just
He's gonna kick all of them.
hype. It has to be him because he was the only one from me and you at the time, and you're standing there AFK while TNT blocks are coming out of thin air. It is.
Dude, I was in the party with DJ.
It is him.
Dude, how can I play
It was not just talking to you.
I don't even care.
Why we in
Private, join my party. Yeah, how can I do that when I'm not even moderator?
Man, why we just don't all here?
So you
No
know
one's
that's not me.
moderator, right? DJ.
No? No? I can't get in here. Man, I'm not even finna begin
Country
this
boy,
one,
if
bro.
you want to, he's on my world.
Lol, what? What is this giant bed doing here?
Yeah, I'm getting tired of playing Xbox. I've been playing for like 2 days straight.
Oh. Oh. I see you, Mr. Green Gamer Tag. Green Gamer Tag. Mr. Hype, why are you punching blocks everywhere? In that bed.
See, kick him. Why you take my teleport away?
Alright. There you go. Oh. No invisibility. Not even I'm not allowed to turn invisible. You're not allowed to turn invisible. No one's allowed to turn invisible.
If y'all want to get off, I'll see you guys later, right?
Yep. Wee. Ay, 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 ay.
See ya.
Bye, la, la. Let's play at the play place.
This is nice.
Oh, I see someone digging down. And who could that be other than, I don't know, maybe Corey DJ guy?
No? No? Bruh, see, you always